Welcome back, Thrivers. It's your host, Richard Bass, and we're about to dive deep into a topic that's close to every parent's heart, shaping our children's behavior. Today, we'll be talking about spanking, a discipline that has become controversial, and many are against it and many are for it. What if I told you there might be an in-between? I tend to stay away from this type of discipline, but let's go through the whys and how spanking could be effective. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this, and let's be respectful on everyone's opinions. If you're ready to become the best parent you can be, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. Imagine this. As parents, we've been given a remarkable privilege, the power to mold our children's behavior towards positivity. But let's be real, we're all born with certain not so pleasant tendencies. Selfishness, unkindness, yeah, they're part of the package deal. That's where discipline comes into play. And today, we're focusing on one key tool in the parenting toolkit, spanking. We'll uncover how to utilize it effectively without crossing any boundaries. But before we get into the details, remember, spanking has to be done the right way. We're not talking about going overboard or causing harm. Our aim is to guide our children, not to hurt them. So let's keep it respectful and safe. Let's talk about age-appropriate discipline. Spanking can be particularly effective for the little ones, especially preschoolers. You see, at that age, they're not exactly experts in reasoning. So, other tactics might not have the desired impact. But as our kids grow, spanking should gradually take a back seat as we introduce them to a variety of consequences. And remember, it's essential to phase out spanking entirely before they step into their teenage years. Let's talk about the right way to discipline. Now, here's a nugget of wisdom. Say spanking for intentional disobedience or moments when they challenge authority. We're not here to punish every little childish antic. And folks, there's no room for harshness or acting on impulse. If you find it hard to control your temper, consider using alternative methods. No excuses, ever, for crossing the line into abuse. Let's talk about the philosophy behind it. Let's delve into the mindset. Discipline is about love, not anger. We're not dwelling in the past, we're building for the future. Think of it as teaching, much like how discipline learns from their teacher. Our aim? To shape our kids into making thoughtful decisions and understanding the outcomes. Now let's talk about the spanking process. Alright, let's break down the process. Start with a clear warning before any spanking-worthy action. Explain the reasons behind the discipline. If they deliberately disobey, guide them to a private space. Administer the spanking with love, consistency, and clarity. Afterward, gently reinforce the lesson learned so that it sticks. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Nowadays, many parents lean towards being their kids' buddies, which is great, but remember, they also need us as guides. Discipline isn't just about punishment. It's about steering them towards a fulfilling life. It might be tough now, but trust me, the rewards will be worth it down the line. Let's talk about the power of discipline. Let this Bible quote sink in. No discipline seems enjoyable at the time. It's true, discipline might sting now, but it reaps a harvest of peace and goodness in the future. When we smartly blend spanking with other effective techniques, we're setting our kids up for success. Now, a word on child abuse. Let's tackle a crucial topic, child abuse. It's a national tragedy, and its impact lasts a lifetime. We stand strong against it. Our hearts go out to those affected, and we're committed to creating a safe environment for all children. Parenting isn't a walk in the park, folks, but remember, there's no manual, and we're all navigating this journey together. Let's find the balance between firmness and gentleness, consistency and love. Keep thriving, keep parenting, and until next time, this is Richard Bass signing off. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with fellow parents who are on this incredible journey with you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Thriving with Richard Bass for more empowering content. Stay awesome and keep nurturing those little champs.